Okay, so for those of you who don't know, my friend over at Wendie's Wacky Warehouse, she puts together little crafting lots. So I thought we'd open up mine together. So she sent me Born a Bad Seed. Man, my girl knows me, but she also knows I got an angel. I love the colors, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, first I just want to say I so love this black velvet fringe. It's awesome. That'll be going into something here real soon. As you can see, I'm already a little knee deep in some paints. All right, what's inside? Ooh. Oh, we got some pretty red fabric. Now, you can ask her for specific things. I asked her to fill it up with stuff for Valentine's Day and maybe, you know, a little bit of St. Patty's Day if she had it. So let's see. Hold on. Yay! She told me she had these. She told me she had just found a whole box filled with these little silk ribbons, flowers. So I said, please send me a bunch of those for Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. And look at, oh, these couldn't have come at a more perfect time. I'm actually working on putting something together for that. Oh, these are excellent. She even sent me some cool ribbon. Oh, nice. Let's see what's in the other pack. Look at the bracelet. Oh, I'm going to have fun. That is a fairy leprechaun disco ball if I ever saw one right there. Oh, my Lord. I'm going to be lucky if I don't wear this, though, right? And a little skull, rubber bands. I love it. I'm gonna wear that. I'm definitely wearing that. All right, there's one more thing to open. Let's see what's in that. One more hide back there. All right, so here's inside. We got a bottle cap. I love it. You can't prohibit genius. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. I gotta put that place someplace special. Wow, words today. Words. We got some. Oh, yes, look at. Perfect for St. Patty's Day. Oh, this is going to be fun. Nice. Let's see. We got another little piece of that felt. And some hearts. Oh, this is good because I'm working on a project right now where I actually need some hearts. So let's see. Oh, let's not drop them on the floor. Oh, another heart pin. Excellent. Actually, it says something on the back. I bet you it says Hallmark. What else we got in here? Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, this is going to be great. Wendie, this is amazing. And then all sorts of little tiny... I don't want to pull them all out because I will drop them. Beads and baubles. Although there is something bigger in the bottom. Oh, there we go. Yep, that's going to be perfect for what I'm working on right now. Thank you so much, Wendie. So guys, if you don't know, Miss Wendie at Wendie's Wacky Warehouse will put together a crafting lot for you. You can tell her what you want. You can tell her you want paper. You can tell her you want beads and baubles like I did. You can tell her that you want fabric, yarn, thread, stamps, the list goes on, and she will put together a kit for you judging on what you want. So all of my kit here, this was a $10 kit that I purchased from her, and then she will send it to you. So it's like a little mystery, what can I make with now? So if this doesn't get your creative juices going, nothing will. So until next time, stay swanky and stay classy.